Alright guys, Captain K-Dog here. I know I ain't been around in the last 2 or 3 weeks, uploaded a video, but it's been crazy cold and I don't mind a little chilly, but I don't go out when it's 32 degrees or freezing, or 18 for that matter. But anyhow, I got a new fish finder and I'm trying it out here on White Lake. I ain't been here in about 12 years, but what's awesome is I got active target, so I can see live fish and see my lure live. So but this content today is going to be freshwater instead of saltwater. I know that I normally do saltwater, but I want to learn it in a smaller lake, pond, and to get a hang of it before I go into the ocean where the current moves really fast and quick sometimes. So bear with me. Hopefully y'all like the video. First cast with this. I done caught a fish. First cast. Dang, it's a nice one too, fellas. He creamed it. First cast. Oh, this is a nice one. I'm not shitting you. First cast. Dang, it's a nice one too. Oh, hell. Oh, what is that? A damn pike? Dang, I didn't know they had these in there. He crushed it. Daggone, look at that jewel. Not real sure what this is, fellas, but first cast. Very first cast. I think it's a pike. I don't know what it is. Pickerel? Let me know if y'all know what this is. Freshwater. I don't care to catch these jewels, but he fought hard. They're cool. Alright guys, here's the live target. As you can see that right at around a 4-foot range, that's my swim bait. Moving up and down. Like I said, I gotta get used to this. Hopefully we're gonna catch some big old fish with it. Bouncing up and down. Got him. First fish on the active target. Don't know if y'all seen that. First one. Heck yeah. Dang perch. He came and got it too, baby. Dang. Came and got it. First fish. Seen him hit it on the active target. Don't know if y'all guys gonna see it, but I seen it on the active target. Pretty sweet. Gotta do my thing. There it goes. He's moving, look at him. As you can see it. There's 2 or 3 of them right there. See it? Damn, there's a whole pile of them coming off the bottom. Finna get something, watch guys. Finna throw this wacky worm down there. I seen this turtle on the live target and I hooked a freaking turtle. What in the heck am I doing, Bo? I done hooked a freaking turtle for the bass, but look here what we got. Got him on the swim bait. He's a nice one. Look at there. That's a good one there. He's 20 inches. 20-inch bass. Nice one. Fell for a swim bait. All right, baby. Go be good. Go ahead, big girl.